Recording the sewer line here at 14814 Greenwood Avenue North. The date's November 20th, 2020. I'm making this recording from the bathroom here on the main floor of the home through the toilet flange. What we're looking at now is the city main, shoreline main, outside on Greenwood Ave. I'm going to pull back from this point. We'll get a look at the sewer line. So coming back from the main, way down the line, we're in 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. We're coming into 4-inch diameter pipe there at that point. I have to pause the video briefly here. Alright, resuming the recording in that exact same spot. I just had to take that phone call. Coming back still, we're in 4-inch diameter concrete sewer line. Coming back towards the house. Coming through here is a small PVC repair that was done at a turn here. So PVC repair installed there. Coming back into 4-inch diameter concrete pipe there. Coming back from that turn, that concrete turn now, back into cast iron pipe. So there's cast iron, there's the turn in concrete. Back into plastic pipe here, and coming back up out of the toilet flange. There's the toilet flange. Alright, ending the recording there.